Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe that was shared with me by my friend Sabrine. So she shared this with me and I wanted to make it for you all. Now if you love curry, you are going to love this, but of course if you wanted to omit it, you can. I suggest giving the recipe a try because you may be blown away. So you want to start in a pot on medium heat. Add in your oil, onions, pimento peppers and minced garlic. If you wanted to add in a piece of scotch bonnet or habanero pepper in here, you can. And we're going to allow that to saute for about 2 minutes. Once it starts to get tender, we're going to go in with our sliced potatoes. Add salt to your taste and then give this a mix. We're going to cook this just like you're cooking fry aloo. Once it starts to get that brown fry aloo color that it's known for, then we'll move on to the next step of this recipe. Make sure and keep turning the potato so that it doesn't burn on one side too much. You want it to brown evenly. So you'll notice I'm turning it here. And if you guys are interested in this pot that I'm using, I'll link it in this video for you all. You'll see the little products button or icon on the left hand side of your screen. You click on that and you'll see the products used in the video. Even the curry powder that I'm using, I'll link it in this video. Now to add the curry powder once the potatoes are brown. We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon. You don't want to add too much, you just want a mild curry flavor. So sprinkle on the curry and mix that in. Now this just needs to cook until the potatoes are tender. And once that happens, I would say about 5 to 8 minutes, then you would want to taste and adjust your salt, and then it's finished. So this is what it looks like when it's done. You need to fry the potato like when you're making fry aloo first before you add that curry, so you can get that fry aloo taste. So I hope you guys enjoyed Sabrine's recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.